Hello YouTube. This 2004 Toyota 4Runner V6 pulled in yesterday sounded very bad. Timing chains were rattling profusely, oil light was flickering. They shouldn't have drove it, but they did anyway. So first thing this morning, it's been parked outside all night. Before I started it this morning, I put a manual oil pressure gauge on and started it up. It had 60 pounds of oil pressure, and within 2 minutes the oil pressure had dropped to about 20 and was starting to head down from there. Chain started making noise, motor started not sounding good. Well, nothing in this engine could have got hot enough, and the oil couldn't have thinned out in less than 2 minutes enough to lose pressure like that. So I was guessing it was a pickup screen was stopped up, the oil pump pickup. So I dropped the oil pan, which was very simple, about a dozen 10mm bolts. It's right out in the very open. And let's see if I can get to where. Here's the oil pump pickup tube. This is what I found. This is supposed to be a screen with little holes in it where your oil goes through. It is 100% stopped up. I've not seen one this bad in a long time. So there's suspected engine repair. Well, it's hard to say if any damage has been done yet, because if you look up in the motor, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a lot of caked up oil. And unfortunately, that's what happens when you don't change your oil on a regular basis. It bakes itself to the inside of your engine block and then flakes off and stops up your pickup tube. Or if the motor's ever run really hot for a while, it'll bake the oil to the block the same way. But anyway, I just thought I would share that. If you have a 4-liter V6 Toyota that has those symptoms, timing chain noise, but sounds good when you first start it, you may want to pull the dozen bolts out of the oil pan and check your pickup screen just to see if it looks like this one. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to take this one off because there's not one readily available. I'm just going to take this off and I'll pour some gas or kerosene on it and burn it, and that way all of the oil that's stopping up the screen will just tap it on the ground a few times and it'll flake off. Maybe I'll do a video while I'm doing that. But anyway, 4-liter Toyota motor, easy to get the pan off. It's worth checking it before you buy another motor. Hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching.